What's going on, y'all? It's Landon. I hope y'all are having a great Wednesday. It has been hot here today in Texas. I don't know if y'all have this happen to you, but every now and then it hits me and I have to process things, and certain things hit me in the feels. And when things hit me in the feels in my heart, I like to talk about it if I can. I like to let it out. So I'm going to give everybody a minute, and I'm going to do something I've never done before, talk about something and talk in a way that I've never talked before on this page. If you hear any quacking in the background, we have ducks in our backyard, but that's beside the point. So what I'm going to talk about is, how hungry are you to do auto detailing? Like, I don't know how hungry you are, but I can tell you how hungry I am. I have a beautiful family, and my son is running around trying to catch the ducks right there. There he is. Okay, that's my family. Those are my wives right there. They're chasing the ducks. There you go. You can see them. That's our backyard. Are you really hungry? I don't know if you're hungry or not. I don't even know if auto detailing is for you. Maybe it's not. I don't know why anybody would want to do auto detailing, honestly, because it hurts. It's not easy. Sometimes it can be fun, but it's very rewarding. You better have a passion for it. You better have a heart for it. And you better have a grind and a hustle, because it'll beat you to your knees daily. My whys are right over there. I don't need any other passion. I know I have a lifespan on this. I cannot do this forever. It just doesn't happen. Okay? I'm 80% disabled veteran, okay? My body hurts every day. What y'all don't see was me in the fetal position 2 days ago in the shower trying to cool myself off, trying to get my core temperature down. I don't know if you're ready for that. My body hurts daily. I'm taking Advil and ibuprofen, probably a little bit more than I should, but I want to be where I want to be in about 5 to 6 years. I have a lifespan on this. My YouTube channel has a lifespan. I'm not going to be around forever. Some other young buck's going to come up and, you know, be the hot dog, okay? My body hurts daily. It is a nightmare on my body what I do to it. I have clients in this page. I am so grateful for their support. I'm so grateful for their business. Why do I do auto detailing? It's because of my family. I don't want to be working my whole life. I'm sorry. No, I don't. And why I charge a premium is because, one, I've put in the time, I've put in the work, I've cut my teeth. Yes, I have a great mentor, and I've had people to help me. But I'm not looking to my right, I'm not looking to my left, wondering who is doing what. I'm in my lane. Carlos, I love you, brother, and you and I both see this. We sometimes say, he ain't ready. Maybe you're not ready. I don't know. I don't know who this is for, but you need to hear me. Hear me loud, hear me clear. I cannot say this anymore. You better have heart. You better have passion. You better have a grind, because this is going to beat you daily in and out. And if you want to do this full time, get after it. And me, I want to know, how hard can I go? When I hear people, I had people telling me, you're not going to make it. You don't want to do auto detailing. In my head, that's a challenge, and I accepted it. I wanted it. I wanted the grind. I wanted the hustle. It's not just for the money. The money's great, but I wanted to build wealth. I wanted to build it fast. I wanted to build it quick, okay? I know I'm talking fast, but this is coming from my heart. I'm trying to make sure the passion stays level right now, okay? And you got to be able to dig it out in the heat. You got to be able to dig it out in the snow. If you got to start low in your prices, I get it. Start low, but work your way up. Don't be satisfied. There are guys, actually, I know 3 of them. They're moving to Dallas because the business and the market is here, okay? So I hear guys saying all the time, well, it's not here. It's not there. I can't do this. I can't do that. I'm sorry. I'm a disabled veteran. I work a full-time job. I get 3 to 4 hours of sleep a night, and I'm still putting out 24/7, 365. If you ain't got it, get out, okay? I'm just going to cut it and dry. Just like that. I don't know how else to say it. I'm a direct person. I'm a direct personality. I'm a Marine. If you cannot hang at this level, don't get involved in this, okay? Keep it as a side hustle. Try a few cars beforehand. But if you're going to be committed to this, make sure that you're ready, because it sucks and it's hard, very rewarding, and I love the relationships that I'm building with my clients. I love auto detailing. It right here. That's where it's at for me, okay? It's not just auto detailing for me. No, it is customer service. It is over delivering. It is giving above and beyond what I thought I could ever do or ask the prices I want to, okay? I didn't think about that 2 years ago, but in 6 years, I want to be maybe doing 3 to 4 cars a month. That's it, okay? My body cannot take this forever. I know it can't. I'm being real. This is how it is, okay? I do not know how else to say this, okay? It is just where it is. It is not easy. I want to give a reality check to anybody out there that's thinking about doing this. I love it. And if I motivate you, great. I'm not trying to get here on a pedestal and blah, 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 blah. That's not me. I'm saying this is it. This is real. This is life. It is a grind, and you better have it down here. Do you feel me? I hope you feel me right here, because it is going to take all that and more out of you. And if you ain't got it, let me know. I will encourage you the best I can. Carlos will encourage you the best we can. I love our DPC family, and I love Scott, and I love everything that's been going on with this page, and I love the positivity. But know this, you're gonna have to put out. I embrace the suck. You're gonna have to embrace the suck, and it sucks sometimes. I almost didn't make it home the other day from that detail when y'all saw me. I'm revealing things I don't talk to y'all about. I have a heating pad, 2 heating pads that are on my back. Sometimes I'm crying in my living room because my body hurts so much. I do not have any cartilage in my ankles. I have arthritis head to toe. I have L3, L4, L5 on my back. It's shot to you know what, okay? I did something in my C4 or 3, something like that. It got fractured, and I'm still going. I don't care what your excuse is. If you want this bad enough, it's there. But do you want it? How hungry are you? I wanted it. I saw it. I wanted it for my family. I knew where I wanted to go, and there's the next level. If you're here, let's take you next level, and then let's raise it again, and then let's do it again until you really think you can't go any higher, okay? And that's me. I want it all. I want it all for my family, and not just the money. I want the clients. I want the relationships. I want everything that this has been building up to, and I'm just getting started with my business. So if I can do it, you can do it. I have a family, 3 kids, my wife, we work, we hustle. You have to want it. You have to have the drive and just grind it out. It's gonna suck. No, it's gonna suck. Embrace it, okay? Love it, embrace it, and cherish it, because it's only gonna be for a little while. And if I can feel pain, that's what I tell people. If I can feel pain, I know I'm alive. And I love feeling the pain, because it lets me know that everything is functioning the way it's supposed to, and I still got more in me, okay? I love y'all. I am shaking because of the passion in me right now, but you have to want it and just know it's going to suck. But you can do this. You can do it. I love all of y'all. If I can ever help anybody out, or any of us can ever help y'all on the page, please let us know. We're going to be here for you as much as possible. But just know that it's not for everybody. And just keep that in your mind, okay? But if you're going to do it, be 100% committed and don't look back, and just go full force, okay? I love y'all. I hope y'all have a great night. I got to get this Tundra grinded out. That's all I can say. I have nothing else. I digress. I'm going to cool down and go hit this Tundra and get it going 100%. So I love y'all. You'll have a great one. DPC family, I feel you 100% all the time. I'm always there for you guys. I feel you. Keep grinding and hang tough. You got it. Love y'all.